Give 12 amazing steps to set up landing page for your course pre-launch. Certainly. Here are 12 amazing steps to set up a landing page for your course pre-launch. 1. Define your audience and offer. Clearly define your target audience and the unique value proposition of your course. Understand their pain points, desires, and motivations to tailor your messaging accordingly. 2. Choose a landing page builder. Select a landing page builder or platform that suits your needs and budget. Popular options include lead pages, unbounce, or using built-in landing page features in website builders like WordPress. 3. Craft a compelling headline. Create a headline that grabs attention and clearly communicates the main benefit or outcome of your course. Make it concise, impactful, and relevant to your audience's needs. 4. Highlight key benefits. List the key benefits and features of your course in bullet points or short paragraphs. Focus on what sets your course apart and how it can solve your audience's problems or help them achieve their goals. 5. Use engaging visuals. Incorporate high-quality images, videos, or graphics that visually represent your course content or convey the transformation your audience will experience by taking your course. 6. Include social proof. Showcase testimonials, reviews, or success stories from previous students or beta testers to build credibility and trust. Use real quotes and photos to make the social proof authentic and compelling. 7. Create an irresistible offer. Offer an incentive or exclusive bonus to incentivize visitors to sign up for your pre-launch list. This could be a free resource, mini course, or early access to course content. 8. Design a clear call to action, CTA. Design a prominent and visually appealing call to action button that encourages visitors to take action, such as signing up for your pre-launch list or joining a wait list. 9. Optimize for mobile devices. Ensure that your landing page is fully optimized for mobile devices to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience for visitors accessing your page from smartphones or tablets. 10. Collect email addresses. Set up an opt-in form to collect email addresses from visitors who are interested in learning more about your course. Keep the form simple, asking for only essential information like name and email address. 11. Add a countdown timer, optional. Consider adding a countdown timer to create a sense of urgency and encourage visitors to take action before the pre-launch period ends. This can help increase conversions and drive sign UPS. 12. Follow up with email sequences. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads who sign up on your landing page. Send them valuable content, updates, and reminders leading up to the official launch of your course to keep them engaged and excited. By following these 12 steps, you can create a compelling and effective landing page for your course pre-launch that captures leads, generates excitement, and sets the stage for a successful launch.